Hi, this is Nicole Norman from the Home Based Peddler, and I would like to show you my versions of the center step cards. And the fold, which is like this. The fold comes from France Martin. The Spirelli comes from Maymay Made It, and the quilt at the back comes from Nancy Riley. Those are my tutorial that I followed. This this card also is part of my one sheet wonder, and the paper comes from Frosty Friends from Doodlebug. The paper on this one is K & Company. I can't tell you which collection, but it's blue, red, and green. They're all the same color. And so they open up like this. They can stand by their own, and it's really pretty. It makes a different kind of card, and you have enough space inside to write your message, sign, and have something else in it. I hope you like it. Don't forget to press the like button, and thank you for watching.